Hello, how to solve for s in this problem? 3 bracket s plus 2 minus 2 bracket 4s minus 3 is equal to 7s minus 6. We quickly want to find the value of s in this algebraic problem. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Let's open the bracket. 3 times s, we have 3x, then plus 3 times 2, that is 6, minus 2 times 4s, that is 8s, then minus 2 times 3, that is 6, is equal to 7s minus 6. Then here we have 3x plus 6 minus times 8s, that is minus 8x, minus times minus 6, that is plus 6, is equal to 7s minus 6. Then at this point, we have 3x here and then minus 8x here. Let's consider the left hand side. 3x minus 8x, we have minus 5s. Then here we have 6 and the 6 here. 6 plus 6, that is plus 12, is equal to 7x minus 6. Let's collect like times here. Collect like terms. We have minus 5s. Here is 7s. If you bring it to this side, it becomes minus 7s is equal to, here we have minus 6. This is plus 12. If you take it to the other side, it becomes minus 12. Now, minus 5s minus 7s, that is minus 12s, is equal to minus 6 minus 12, that is minus 18. But we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by minus 12. This divided by minus 12. This will cancel this. Then 6 here, 2, 6 here, 3. Therefore, we have s is equal to 3 divided by 2, or s is equal to 2 in 3, that is 1 whole number, then 1 divided by 2. These are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.